Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
In today's video, we're going to share with you Shana's vegetarian chili recipe. It's one of my absolute favorites. It came about right after I had my heart surgery. This is a heart-healthy, loving your heart kind of recipe. We think you're going to enjoy it. So join us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and in the link below, we've got the recipe for you. So make sure you grab that before you go.
This chili recipe has been a staple in our home since Joe's heart surgery. We often eat it in the fall and winter, and it's one of his favorite things that I make. I'm gonna start by telling you the ingredients that I use in my chili. For the seasonings, I use onion salt, unami powder, which is like a mushroom powder, and smoked paprika. And I also use a chili seasoning. All of these ingredients happen to be Trader Joe's, which we are not endorsed by, but use them frequently. Next, we have a chopped onion. You can use red or white. I'm using red today because that's what I had. I use a can of black beans, a can of lentils, a can of white chili beans, and a can of fire roasted tomatoes. I've also pureed a can of cannelli beans, which is used for thickening. All of these ingredients and the amounts will be in the description below. Lastly, another ingredient that I use is a green pepper. I often use this vegetable chopper so that all of the vegetables that I use in any soup or stew is the same size and they will cook evenly. You're also gonna need a carton of vegetable stock. I've already placed a couple tablespoons in the cooker to saute the green pepper and the onions. We try our best not to use any oil or salt when we cook. After you have allowed the green pepper and the onions to cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, until the onion is translucent, then you can add your seasonings. So this is the onion powder, the smoked paprika, and the mushroom powder, along with the chili seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit more of vegetable stock so it doesn't stick to the pan. We're gonna let this saute to kind of marinate the vegetables for about 2 minutes. The next ingredient I'm gonna add are the fire roasted tomatoes. Give that a stir. I'm also gonna add a can of black beans, a can of lentils, a can of chili beans. You can use white chili beans or red chili beans. I'm also gonna add in the rest of this carton of vegetable stock. My rice cooker has a slow cooker setting, so I'm gonna turn the slow cooker setting on for about 30 minutes.
Shana told you in the beginning about how this recipe kind of came to be during the time of my, the first time I realized that I had heart disease. And as we've mentioned many times before, you know, we were very active in our lives. And when I got the stents the first time, 2 years before my open heart surgery, my double bypass, Shana immediately jumped on the bandwagon and said, you know what, I'm gonna do research. I'm gonna find out what we can do to possibly slow down heart disease, maybe to reverse heart disease, as some people say you can. And so what happened is she just immediately took the initiative to start doing recipes, changing the way we ate, the way she shopped at the store. And so that's where this recipe came from, and many of the other ones that we now have made a part of our daily lives. I was off for 3 months. That's how long it takes for your breastbone to heal. In the process of recovery, what I found is I had a lot of time on my hands, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like to cook. I make toast, I can pour a good bowl of cereal, but I don't cook. So this was about Shana and saying, wow, she's at work all day while I'm at home just chilling, chilling with a big scar in my chest and things like that, and in recovery. So I was kind of just chilling. And so what I thought was, she's working so hard, and she stayed home for 3 weeks, and she took really good care of me. And so I thought, well, I better do something in repayment. And so I decided to start making dinner each night. And this is one of the recipes that you got to have when you came home. I'd have the chili and everything that goes with it. I had several other recipes. I just got into the routine of making. I actually stalked the sushi maker at the Kroger and the Publix, but I stood off to the side and I was like watching what ingredients they put in and how they did it. So one day I finally got the nerve to ask, how do you do this? And what ingredients do you use? I'm just curious. And so the guy was really nice, told me the ingredients. And so I started looking for the little roller, little thing you put the rice on to roll it up.
The bamboo pad.
The bamboo pad. And so I learned how to make sushi. But then as my 3-month recovery process was was winding down, I got a little lazy, started just throwing the sushi in the bowl, and we called it a sushi bowl. And so,
which worked.
Did it work?
It worked.
It was good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Too bad you haven't done any of these things since then.
So, but I do take you out to eat occasionally. and really, to be honest with you, I don't like to cook. And when someone doesn't like to cook, you don't want them to cook your food, right? So we're waiting on our chili to finish. It's delicious. I really like it. I want to say this, that yes, we are eating we have a heart healthy way of life and a way of eating. But I will tell you, if you're a person who has self-control and you're reasonable, then you can do what I like to do, except that I don't have the self-control. So that's great, as many of you know, with Fritos and a serving of maybe cheese, maybe some are you okay?
No cheese, no dairy.
Okay, well, we'll talk about that some other time. So anyway, Shana's Heart Healthy Vegetarian Chili is coming up, and I expect it'll be as good as ever. If you are a meat lover and you say, I've got to have that meat in there, that's your call. And again, we're talking about folks who are dealing with heart disease and really concerned with your heart health, and you want to cut out as many of the obstacles in your life to a lengthy life. And that's what I'm trying to do. I don't want to have another bypass. It was a really bad situation for both of us. And you took great care of me, though. I don't know why you did that, but you did it.
Because I love you.
Okay. Pretty good. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and click that little bell. And you can click on the link below for Shana's ingredients and her recipe for her vegetarian chili. And I think you're going to love it. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.
Bye. And a can of fire roast. Go away.
And a can of fire roasted.
Roasted potato. Fire roasted tomatoes. And I also pureed. If you laugh, then I can't do it. Okay, I'm going to start from there. But is it on me? I
It's
can't
on
see.
you.
Okay.
Look in the gun.
Okay. So you can use canned beans so that 20% of the sodium will be. What? Can I move on? Do you think?
Why don't you just set them out so you can see them? And look down at them. It's okay to look down at them.
Okay. Well, we're going to run out of tape or something? Where's the chili seasoning?
Or,
Where did I put it? Stop it. Stop the camera.
no. Just get it and let's go. Put it out there, sister. What you
I don't know
using?
how to say that.
In the end,
You
we're
know
not
me?
loves this. And
You
when
didn't
he
like
has
what I
heart
said at the
surgery-
beginning? I already said that.
I know. Say it again in case we want a better version of it.
I don't want to say all right. I'm going to tell you something. You could just walk away for a second and go in another room.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. In today's video, I'm going to show
I'll
you.
slam